everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the coupon preview for Sunday, September 13th. We are getting 3 inserts, so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up if you get inserts. I've been more reliant on digital coupons lately, and I know a lot of these coupons that we get, I don't get, but you know what? We're still saving some money no matter where you're at. I want to give you guys a heads up. This website is SundayCouponInserts.com. Usually I can look for them on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, but like I said, we are getting 3 inserts. So here is the Retail Me Not. We're getting Barilla Ready Pasta. Looks like probably $1, so we'll have to see that. Dent Life, $2. Domino Golden Sugar, 65 cents. Drake's Fancy Feast, $2 off at 12. Another Fancy Feast, $2.25 off at 12. Flonase Garnier Fructis, $2. Garnier Shampoo Conditioner, $3 off at 2. Garnier Nutrice Color Revival, $4 off at 2. The hair color products, $5 off at 2. Skin Active, hopefully there's some digitals, $2. Whole Blends, $4 off of 2. L'Oreal, $2, $3 off at 2. Then we got some makeup, $2, $2.50. And then, yeah, lots of L'Oreal. I know I will not get any of those coupons, so just giving you guys a heads up. If you are new to couponing, I just wanted to share with you with that. So here we got Smart Source number 2, AccuVive, Allegra, Afterlife, or Allerlife, or whatever, Mactison, yeah. Blink, $3 off. Cachet cheese, never heard of that. Creative Roots, Del Monte, 75 cents, $1 off of 2. Ducalex, $3. I felt like we used to get Ducalex all the time, and we haven't gotten that stuff in a long time. I don't use it, but I'm just saying. Huggies, 3 off of 2. That's can be a somewhat okay coupon. John Frieda, $3 off. $2 off, $3 off. Mitchum deodorants, $1. Neutrogena makeup remover, $1. Wrinkle repair, $3. Pull-ups, $2. Revlon, $3. $1, $3, $4. So we're getting Revlon coupons. Rolaids, we got $1.50. Skintimate Chic, $3. And then Kotex, we got $1. Another Kotex, $1, and Visine, $1. So that is one Smart Source. The second Smart Source is Elfren Olive, $4. Alka-Seltzer is $2, another $1. Bear, $2. Bear, $1. Blue Dog or Cat Treats, $1. Dog food, $5. Wet food, $1. Citrusel, $4. Claritin, $4. Claritin. Colgate, 50 cents. 50 cents. And 50 cents. We're getting 50 cents off coupons. Oh look, more CoverGirl coupons. $3, and $2. Fiber One, $1. Flintstones vitamins, $3. General Mills cereal, $1. Which usually, well, those are probably the special ones. So hopefully we can get some good deals with Ibotta. One a Day vitamins, $4. Panera soup, $1 or $2 off of 2. Phillips Pillsbury, $1 off of 3. Sargento bread snacks, 75 cents, or snack bites, 75 cents, or sticks, 75 cents. True Biotics. Werther's, we got $1 off of 2, and Wonderful Pistachios, $1.50. Now those coupons could come in handy because those don't expire until almost before Christmas, so there might be some deals with Christmas deals that we may be able to use those coupons. So just giving you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.